Hi guys, welcome back. It's time for another morning meeting or daily calendar. Let's begin. Today is Thursday. Thursday. Today is Thursday. The date is 7/9/20 or July 9th, 2020. The day of home learning is 68. So, what's in the ones place? 8. What's in the thousands place? 0. What's in the tens place? 6. What's in the hundreds place? 0. All right. Next, we're going to skip count, and I totally forgot to write what number we're going to skip count by. We're going to try skip counting by 6 today. Okay? So skip counting by 6, and we're going to use our hundreds chart. So start at 6, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 54. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. So the cool thing about sixes is that the halfway point is 30. So you know that you're at the tens place when you get to 60. I love counting by tens. It's the fun, easy one. All right. Next, we're going to go on to our money. And as usual, I erased part of it. So we need $30.15, and we need 2 bills and 2 coins. So what 2 bills and 2 coins do we need? Well, first, if we're doing the bills, first thing you need to think about is what is the highest bill that we work with right now? That's a 20. Does 20 go into 30? You better believe it. Let's draw in that 20. Okay, go to our hundreds chart. We're at 30 and we're subtracting 20. So when we subtract by tens, we go up 1 line for every 10. So 10, 20. What are we at now? 10. Well, 20 doesn't go into 10, but what's the next bill we have? It's a 10. And a 10 does go exactly into 10. All right, so we have our 20 and our 10. All right, next we need 15 cents, okay? The coins we have, the largest coin we usually work with is a quarter. Quarter is worth 25. Does 25 go into 15? No. Next largest coin we work with is a dime. A dime is worth 10. Does 10 go into 15? You better believe it. So we're going to put a D here. And as a reminder, I'm going to put 10 above. And we're going to do our hundreds chart again. So we're at 15. We're subtracting 10. So we go up the line 5. Okay, well, 10 can't go into 5. So the next coin that we work with is a nickel. And a nickel is worth exactly 5. So we know to finish that amount. I think I drew that right. We need a dime and a nickel. Woohoo! Okay, after that, we're on to our time. It's really hard to tell on this clock, so I'm going to show you this clock. So I have the little hand between the 12 and the 1, closer to the 12, and the big hand on the 4. So let's count the big hand first because that's the minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So whatever time it is, it's 20 minutes past it. Okay? So now we know that we put this just past the 12. But it's not on 1 yet, and it hasn't passed 1 yet, so it means it is 12:20. So the best thing to think about with these is this always counts for whatever number it is on or past. It gets a little harder when it's like here, because it looks like it's on the 1, but it's not. This number is what helps you with that part. You know that if this is at 20, which it wouldn't look like this if it was, but just in case, if this was at 20 or anything above or past this number, there's no way it can be at this number yet. So it has to be here. Okay? Make sense? Hopefully. All right, today's weather. Today it is going to be beautiful and sunny and cloudy every now and then, which might help us because it's going to be extremely hot. I thought it was supposed to rain today, but apparently the temper changed and the rain is coming tomorrow. Rain on a Friday. Not as fun. But anyways, moving on. So, it's very, very hot. Even now. And I'm in a short sleeve shirt. And I'm still so hot that I'm like, oh, why am I here? What am I doing? I'm definitely going to have to turn on the air conditioner today because I'm not going to survive otherwise. So, right now, where I am, it is 75. But today is a swim day, or a water play day, or a stay inside with the air conditioner day, because it's going to get up to 88 degrees. Oh my goodness. 88 is nice and hot. And since there's no sign of wind and the clouds aren't really going to be out that much today, it's definitely a day where you want to be wet or stay cool in some way. So I recommend that. All right, on to my bonus. I've decided that for the summer, Thursdays are going to be used to show off some art because you guys know I like art and I've already sent you some pictures and stuff, so why not? So today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite paintings I did. I did this for my parents way back when, before they moved out of their house. And it is of a moon, a beautiful tree branch, and a butterfly. Now, I did this with two different types of materials. The first thing I did is I painted the whole thing black. And that's what you usually want to do, is you want to do one color first. And then I put the white on top. And I grabbed some blues and grays and yellows and I kind of just smeared them in. And believe it or not, I took a paper towel and I went like that. And that created that cool moon effect. Almost like it's shimmery or hazy like we see it in the sky. Then I drew on the branches and flowers. And at last, I had this mistake that I made with some white paint in the middle. So I was like, oh my goodness, how am I going to fix this? But the shape looked like a butterfly. But I knew my paintbrush technique wasn't as good. So I took a marker, a permanent marker, and I drew on the shape of a butterfly from a picture I found. And there we have it. I think it turned out really well, though I might want to add some colors on that butterfly. I think he's a little too pale. Maybe someday. We'll see. But this is one of my favorite paintings, and it's nice and fun. How often do you see a butterfly at moonlight, after all? It's possible, but not as often. All right, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.